Welcome to Auto. In this video, I will show you how to give admin command in Roblox step by step.
Step 1. Open Roblox Studio. Launch Roblox Studio and open the game where you want to add admin commands. Step 2. Go to Toolbox from the top menu, click View Toolbox to open the toolbox where you can find free mod. Step 3. Search for an admin command script in the toolbox search bar. Type HDadmin, most popular and safe, or another trusted admin command script. Insert it into your game. Step 4. Configure permissions. Once added, check the Explorer panel, find the HDadmin or chosen script folder, open the settings script, usually inside server script service. Add your Roblox username to the admin list. Step 5. Save and test your game. Click play in Studio to test. Type commands in the chat, e.g., fly, kick username, speed 100. Step 6. Publish your game. When done, publish your game so the admin commands work online.